You know those viral ads you keep seeing everywhere? What if you could recreate them with your own product in literally a few clicks? No camera, no editing, no team, just AI. AI video is getting scary good right now. We've already seen tools like Ads 2.0 taking over the internet. But here's what most people are missing. This is not just for entertainment anymore. This is turning into a real money-making machine. And today I found something that might actually teach old dogs new tricks. Because normally, if you want to create ads, you need actors, editors, scripts, time, money. And even after all that, there's no guarantee it will go viral. But this tool called Pollo AI changes that. It's basically an AI video agent that studies viral content, understands what works, and then recreates it for your product automatically. I tested it with a few different examples and honestly, the results were pretty surprising. Let me show you how it works. So first, just search Pollo AI on Chrome and open the first link. Now, when you land on the website, you'll see a lot of features like Ads 2.0, Pollo 3.0 multi-shot, mimic, transitions, and more. All of these are powerful, but today I want to focus on one specific feature called Video Agent, which they recently launched. And this is where things get interesting. Inside Video Agent, you can clone viral videos, create UGC ads, clone video ads, and even generate story videos, music videos, news videos, and explainer videos. So let's start with the craziest one, clone viral video. Let's say you saw a viral AI video on Instagram and you want to recreate something similar, but you don't know how. Normally you would try to copy it manually. Guess what worked? Maybe fail a few times, but here you just paste the link and that's it. Let me show you. So I clicked on clone viral video and now we need to add a link. You can use YouTube, TikTok or Instagram. Since TikTok is banned here, I'm using Instagram. I already had a video in mind from a page called UGC AI. They create really high quality AI videos. I copied this Balenciaga style ad and pasted it here. I kept the style as realism and hit enter. Now this is the most interesting part. The AI works like a chat. It asks you what you want to do and you just guide it step by step. It asked me what I want to create. I typed clone viral video. Then it asked for aspect ratio, video length and other settings. I selected everything and continued. Now here's where it gets crazy. The AI doesn't just copy the video randomly. It actually analyzes the hook, studies the pacing, breaks down the structure, and then rebuilds it with your input. It literally creates a full storyboard, shot breakdown, timing, and even plans the entire video flow. Then it asked me to confirm everything. I clicked yes, and it started generating. First it created image scenes, then converted them into video clips, and then compiled everything into a final video. Let's watch it. Yeah, it looks decent. I would give it around 6 out of 10. But honestly, the quality is not even the most impressive part. The fact that it understood the structure and recreated it automatically is what makes this powerful. This is not just AI video anymore, this is AI marketing strategy. Because recreating viral content is already one of the best ways to grow, and now you don't even need skills to do it. Now let's move to something even more practical, UGC ads. You've definitely seen these ads where someone says something like, "Hey guys, I just found this product," and then they explain it. Normally brands pay creators to make these, but here AI is doing it for you. So I clicked on UGC ads and now we need to add a product link. At first I tried adding a product from Sold Store, but it didn't work because it only supports platforms like Amazon or Shopify. So I copied a Polo t-shirt link from Amazon and pasted it. Then it automatically extracted all the product information. After that, it asked me to confirm things like target audience, selling points, country, aspect ratio, and duration. I just confirmed everything. Then the AI generated a storyboard which you can edit if you want, but I just clicked generate, and here's the result.
You won't believe how soft this premium polycotton feels. It's pre-washed for that perfect, high-end look and finish. The slim fit is spot on. It really elevates your everyday look. Upgrade your casual style today. Click to shop now.
This one is actually really good. Multiple shots, realistic human, natural voice, proper product interaction. This part honestly surprised me the most because earlier AI couldn't even handle basic product demos properly. Now it's doing hand movements, showing the product, expressions. Everything feels quite real. If I showed this to someone, they probably wouldn't even realize it's AI. I would easily give this an 8 out of 10. Now let's move to another feature, clone video ads. This is different from UGC ads and also very interesting. So I clicked on clone video ads and added a product link. I used an iPhone 17 Pro for this. Again, I had to make sure it's a supported link, so I used an Amazon link. After confirming the product info, it asked me to select a reference ad. I picked one from their library. Then it showed all the settings like audience, format, duration, and I confirmed everything. After that, it generated a storyboard and then the final video. Let's watch it. The video itself looks really good, but I didn't like the captions overlay. I tried removing it, but it didn't work. So I would rate this one around 7 out of 10. But again, the fact that it can generate something like this automatically is impressive. Now think about this. You can literally take any product, any idea, and any viral concept and turn it into a video without needing a team. You don't need actors, you don't need editing skills, you don't need a big budget. You just need an idea, and this is where it becomes bigger than just ads. You can create content at scale, start pages, build marketing systems, test multiple creatives, all using AI. And honestly, this is just the beginning. There are still more features inside Video Agent like story video, music video, news video, and explainer video. You can try those on your own. If you want to test this out, you can check the link in the description. I've also added a promo code for 10% off on their Pro plan. You'll find it in the description and pinned comment. Try it out and let me know your rating in the comments. And also, tell me honestly, do you find this exciting or a bit scary? Because AI is getting very real very fast. I'm Techie Sapien. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep exploring, keep creating.